This is the Synthelix airdrop where it is a DePIN airdrop, and yes, it is quite new. So I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video so that you can hop on. The earlier you hop on, I mean you get the advantage of accumulating more points ahead of those who will be joining later. So let's dive in. With this airdrop, it's not like your regular airdrop where you have to use your email to sign up and all that. You just need your Web3 address or your Web3 wallet. Yes. So this is the interface you're going to see when you click on the link. So you just have to click on connect wallet and you connect any wallet of your choice. So I'll be using Phantom. Click on that. It's so initiate a contract call. Then you confirm. Okay, so once you confirm, it's going to load up the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Just in case you see something like this, it is going to be a little bit like this. So if you kind of look confused with this dashboard, you just minimize the text and stuff, and you're going to get something like this, which is quite okay. So this is the dashboard. This is the total points I've earned so far, and this is daily check-in, and this is my current earnings. So once you log in for the first time, you are supposed to activate the node for it to start working, and you are supposed to activate the node every day. Yes, every day. This one has no extension, so it is daily. You have to come check daily and you activate the node. Yes. So once you activate the node, you are going to see your points running here, and your daily check-in too. You have to check in for 1,000 points, and that's for the dashboard. So just come and activate your node and you are good to go. And you check the reward side too, where you complete some tasks over there. So let me head on to the course. Yes, so you complete these tasks over here to get 5,000 points each. So you just follow them, follow these people, then you are good to go. Once you are done with this, the points will add up to your main balance and you are good to go. And this is the X node. I think it's yet to come. I don't know what that is. I think it's going to be maybe a desktop extension or maybe an extension itself to give us extra points, but I don't know for that. So we'll wait for updates from them. And make sure you follow them on X and their Twitter groups for information. You head on to their dashboard, back to their dashboard, and you are good to go. There's nothing you are supposed to do here. There's nothing serious doing here.